Are you struggling with memory issues while processing documents using Joblib? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many face when trying to speed up their workflows. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your code works perfectly, but memory usage keeps climbing until your server runs out of resources. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's take a closer look at the situation. One user recently asked, "Why does my Joblib memory usage keep growing while processing documents?" They shared their code and mentioned that even with small documents, memory consumption skyrockets when using parallel processing. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this memory issue? When using parallel processing, each worker may hold onto data longer than expected, leading to increased memory usage. We'll break down the reasons and solutions step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could help you manage memory usage effectively while processing your documents. To address the memory issue, the user should first ensure that files are being closed properly after processing. This can help free up memory that is no longer needed. Next, the user should consider using the delayed function from Joblib more effectively. This can help manage memory usage by controlling when tasks are executed. Additionally, the user might want to limit the number of parallel jobs. Reducing the number of jobs can help decrease memory consumption during processing. Finally, the user should monitor memory usage during execution. This can help identify any potential memory leaks or issues with the processing function. Fun fact, did you know that the first computer program ever written was for a machine that took up an entire room? We've come a long way, but memory management is still a challenge. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from another user who mentions that the memory leak issue has been resolved in the latest version of Joblib. They suggest using the Loki backend, which includes safeguards against memory leaks. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One user suggests that the memory issue arises because each thread loads the entire file into memory when using the read function. To address this, they recommend reading the files in smaller chunks instead. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly monitor your memory usage while running your code. This habit can help you catch issues before they become critical. And there you have it. With these strategies, you should be able to manage memory usage effectively while processing your documents. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.